upon that refraction of light. That first problem is, what is the speed of light in water if refractive index of water is 1.33? Okay, so that is the first question. Given mu is equal to 1.33, C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. We have to find out velocity of water. So by the formula, mu is equal to C by V. C is nothing but velocity of light in vacuum by velocity of light in given medium. That means here the medium is water. So based upon this, V water is equal to C by mu water. So C value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Remember, this value is not given, it is a constant value, by mu is 1.33. So 3 by 1.33, on average it is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. By calculating the 3 by 1.33, it is 2.25 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Next question. If light travels through a diamond with a speed of 1,2,3,967 km per second, then what is the refractive index of the diamond? So mu is equal to formula C by V, where C is the speed of light in vacuum and V is the velocity of the light in the given medium. So mu is equal to C. So C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, or C is equal to 3 into 10 power 5 kilometer per second. So converting meter per second to kilometer per second, that is 3 into 10 power 5. So C can be written as 3 lakh kilometer per second. So keep this value in the value of C. So C is equal to, by kilometer per second, by velocity of light through the diamond is 1,2,3,967 km per second. So kilometer per second gets cancelled. So by calculating 3 lakh by 1,2,3,967, so on average the value is 2.42. Next question. The water level in a bucket is 40 centimeters. The refractive index is 1.33. Then what is the actual depth of the water? Here. So given mu is equal to 1.33 and the water level in a bucket, that means apparent depth. Apparent depth is equal to 40 centimeters. So what is the real depth? So by the formula mu is equal to, refractive index mu is equal to real depth by apparent depth. We need a real depth, that means actual depth. So real depth or actual depth is equal to mu into apparent depth. So mu value is 1.33 into apparent depth is 40 centimeters. So calculate 1.33 into 40 centimeters. So on an RS, the value is 53.2 centimeters. So the actual depth of the water in the bucket is 53.2 centimeters. Next question. The apparent depth of an oil in a vessel, that means apparent depth is equal to 16 centimeters. Actual depth is 24 centimeters. What is the refractive index? So refractive index mu is equal to real depth by apparent depth. So that is equal to real depth 24 centimeters by 16 centimeters. Centimeter gets cancelled, and 24 by 16, that is 1.5. So the new value is 1.5. Next question is, the velocity of light in a glass of refractive index is 1.5 is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Its velocity in a certain liquid is 2.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Then the refractive index of the liquid with respect to air is. So here the velocity of light in a glass of refractive index. So mu glass is equal to 1.5. So in this medium the velocity V glass is equal to 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and the same light velocity in liquid, V in liquid is equal to 2.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Then what he asked the refractive index of liquid with respect to air, not with respect to glass. So here there is no need of this. Okay, so he asked refractive index of liquid with respect to air, that is equal to, okay, so that means mu liquid by mu air, mu liquid by mu air. So mu liquid means again formula mu is equal to C by V. So C by velocity of light in the liquid by mu air means C by V. Okay, so C and C gets cancelled, that means 1 by Vl into this 1 by V gets reciprocal V by 1. So here V is nothing but velocity in air. V is nothing but velocity in air by velocity in liquid. So velocity in air, as we know, that 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second by velocity in liquid is 2.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Meter per second gets cancelled. So 3 into 10 power 8 by 2.5 into 10 power 8, and again 10 power 8 and 10 power 8 gets cancelled. So 3 by 2.5, so into 10 by 10, that means 30 by 25. So if you cancel that, on average we will get 1.2. Clear? The refractive index of water and diamond are 1.33 and 2.42 respectively. Then the refractive index of diamond with respect to water, right? So refractive index of diamond with respect to water, that means mu d by mu w. So mu d by mu w is equal to, mu d is 2.42 by 1.33. So 2.42 by 1.33. So it will be 1.82. Next question. The refractive index of water and glass are, it is not right, 4 by 3 and 3 by 2 respectively. Then the refractive index of water with respect to glass. That is the question. So refractive index of water mu W is equal to 4 by 3. Refractive index of glass mu glass is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So that implies refractive index of mu water with respect to glass, that is equal to mu water by mu glass. Mu water is 4 by 3 by mu glass is 3 by 2. That is equal to 4 by 3 into 2 by 3. So 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 is the answer. Next question. The refractive index of water with respect to air is 4 by 3. Then the refractive index of air with respect to water is. That is the question. So given refractive index of water with respect to air is equal to 4 by 3. So that means refractive index of water by refractive index of air. So refractive index of water is 4. Refractive index of air is 3. Then the question, what is the refractive index of air with respect to water? So refractive index of air with respect to water, that is equal to refractive index of air by refractive index of water. Refractive index of air is 3. Refractive index of water is 4. 3 by 4. The angle of incidence in air is 60 degrees and the angle of refraction in a medium is 45 degrees. Then find the refractive index of the medium. That is the question. So given I is equal to 60 degrees, R is equal to 45 degrees. So we have the formula by Snell's mu is equal to sin A by sin R. So that is equal to sin 60 degrees by sin 45 degrees. So that is equal to sin 60 degrees value is 0.806 866 and sin 45 degrees value is 0.707. So 866 by 707, by calculating we will get, that is 1.2.